Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below for your own custom rampages for your situation and your circumstances. And my YouTube membership with more exclusive manifestation content is also linked below, and my master manifestation workshop with manifestation audios such as rampages and subliminals and meditations and sleep tapes for various topics to help you manifest, and programs and boot camps, all to help you live your best life, is linked below. And today we're going to be doing a rampage on decision, deciding the reality that you want, deciding that you're already there, deciding it's done. So let's get into it. It is already done. You are deciding right now. It is already done. It is already yours right now. You are already experiencing it right now. There is nothing else for you to question, to doubt, to waver, to spiral about. It is yours right now. What are you doubting for? It is yours right now. Decide right now. It is yours. It is mine. It is yours. Everything you want is yours right now because you said so. You have decided. There is no other outcome other than the one you want. It is inevitable. Your desires are inevitable. The movement is inevitable. Them conforming is inevitable. The confirmation is inevitable. You are receiving it all, and you're receiving it all right now. You are deciding that you are the only one. There is no competition. There is nobody else. You are the only one. You are deciding that no other realities exist other than the ones where you get what you want. It is impossible for you to not get what you want. It is impossible for you to not be the operant power. There is no competition. There is nobody else. There is no other way that this reality can go but for you to get what you want. It is done. The decision has been made. The manifestation has been manifested. You are experiencing the experience. It is confirmed to you. It is shown to you. You have it all right now. You are deciding right now, as you are listening to this rampage, that it is already done. You are deciding as the operant power that you are the operant power, that you are the one with the most power, that you are the one who decides, that you are the one who creates circumstances, that this is you in control. You are deciding right now that you are loved, you are wanted, you are chosen, you are valued, you are irreplaceable, you are irresistible, you are magnetic, that you are deciding that you are the most powerful force in your reality. You are deciding that your manifestations are yours and you're not wavering. You're not going back. You're deciding right now that your past doesn't matter, that circumstances don't matter, that your doubts, your spiral, your reactions, what other people say, the opinions, anything that has happened up until this point, you are deciding it does not matter. Decide the best reality for yourself right now. You are deciding the best reality for yourself right now. You are deciding that all these circumstances don't matter right now. You're deciding that 3D doesn't matter right now. You are deciding every single thing you want is manifesting at the lightning speed, and it is here instantly. You are deciding that you're an instant manifester. You are deciding circumstances don't have control. You are deciding nobody has free will in your reality. You are deciding that people conform to you, that the world conforms to you, that it does not matter if it takes one person or a million people. Everybody will come together to aid in your benefit. You are deciding that you are getting everything you want with ease, with speed, with no resistance. You are deciding that it gets to be easy. You don't know struggle, that you don't have to struggle, that you don't have to work hard, that you don't have to take action. You are deciding that everything falls into your lap, that all your manifestations come into your lap, that all of your manifestations fall out of thin air. You are deciding that it gets to be easy. You are deciding that it gets to be simple. You are deciding it gets to be stress-free. You are deciding it gets to be fast. You are deciding you don't have to struggle to get what you want. You are making the decision that you are the operant power and that everything you want is yours right now. It is yours right now. It is yours right now. It is yours right now. You have decided. It has manifested. It is all yours. It is working out. There's no other option than for it to manifest. It is inevitable. You believe it. You have decided it. You have proclaimed it. You have claimed it. You have manifested it. It is all yours right now because you decided so and because you said so. You have everything you want right now because you said so. It's all conformed right now because you said so. You have the love, you have the money, you have the health, you have the body, you have the appearance, you have the acceptance. You were approved. You have the amazing friends, you have the amazing family. Everything in your life is perfect because you said so. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Decide your reality each and every day you wake up. Decide that you have everything you want. Decide it's going to be the best day of your life. Decide circumstances don't matter. Decide. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.